What is up guys, Patrick here for Cars and Cooper, and today we are making a custom key for my Mini. So there are my original keys, the standard Mini keys that you get, 3 of them, and I'm going to be putting that inside of a Swiss Army knife. So I've taken the covers off, and I've sanded them down. This bit here is going to be the difficult bit because I need to take it apart, take out all the innards and replace them with these 3 keys. Right, so I've now got a Dremel for cutting my keys. I'm going to have to cut off these bits here. Focus on this. Cut off these gold bits here. I wonder if I can zoom in. I'm going to have to cut off these gold bits here, which keep in all of these tools inside, and then cut down the key and make it into one piece. So let's see how that goes. So as you can see here, I've just tried to drill one of the holes and there's many more to go. Basically I just cut off the head of them and I'm now going to try and tap that out.
Et ne me reviens pas.
Right, so I've now taken out that top hole, as you can see. It's a little screw. Really hard to see, but yeah, so I've taken out the top hole and now I'm going to try and do the rest. Right, so taking out the second screw now, and this one is much easier. It seems like it would just pull out really easily. There we go. Second screw out, in focus, there we go. Second screw out, and we're ready to go on to the next one.
Et ne me reviens pas.
Right, so I've just got to do that final little one there now, and it will be able to take apart. You can see some of the tools have already come out, but yeah, take out the little one and we're good to go. Okay, so we are now able to take the full tool system apart, take out all the bits we don't need, including, hopefully, this bit here. So that's it all taken apart now. You see you've got the different tools, I've labelled them what I think they should be, and yeah, let's, I guess it's time to put this all away and start spraying the outside.